Welcome back to Vakkaru Maldives, the timeless sanctuary we already adore. Stylish, elegant interiors, spacious outdoor living, a private pool. These two-bedroom beach pool residences promises you maximum privacy. A twin bedroom, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, outdoor shower, enclaved by this vegetation, direct access to the beach. This is a promise of natural luxury. Every all-water villa, just like any other villa in this island, is a taste of elegance. This well-positioned all-water villas comes with all-water hammocks, the signature four-poster bed, as well as a bath with a view. Let's go and explore it. We absolutely adore these newly designed all-water pool villas here at Vakkaru. Spacious outdoor, a separate reading room or a separate part for children to sleep, and an oversized pool with this view. Good morning. I cannot imagine having a better welcome back than this floating breakfast. There's so much to choose from. Give your butler all your favorite plates, all your preferences, and the following morning get surprised with something like this. Good evening and welcome to Marana Spa. We're here to witness something rather unusual than a traditional spa treatment. Right next to me are 7 crystal bowls made of quartz crystal, each of them representing the chakras in the human body. If you were to lay down in the treatment room, each of these sound will connect with your chakras, giving you a sound healing therapy which calms your body and mind and soul. We're so excited and thrilled to be back here at Vakkaru. After 3.5 years, the moment you stepped onto the island, you still realize it's so green. It's well kept, the villas look so new. they've added new private pool villas over the water and on the beach, and brought up some new 2-bedroom units as well. And if you're a family or even teens or even couples, there's always something to do. Either it's a private affair or as a group excursion, from seeing turtles to seeing the mantas, and to enjoy exhilarating spa treatments, from sound healing therapy to learn how to make coconut oil. There's always some engagement on this island. This is a resort that resembles what you're looking for when you're on holiday.